Hello and welcome to another What We Eat in a Day video. Let's see, today is gonna be pretty much our average day. Starting the day with coffee, obviously. Something that has never happened to me before happened this morning. When I woke up, I immediately got the hiccups, which is weird. Like, just open my eyes, like that, hiccups. Have you ever waken up with hiccups? It was bizarre. They went away, thank the Lord. But now we're gonna do a little coffee. This is, I forgot which one I picked. I'll tell you in a sec. Do you want to go see if Shelby's awake? Oh, our coffee's ready. Yay. This is the coffee I chose, if anybody's curious. It is the Organic Espresso Blend Target brand. Let's go get Shelbs. Good morning.
Don't tell me right now.
Bobby wants to say hi. Where is she? Find her. Find her. Yay! Alright, I'm awake. I got my coffee. I'm gonna get some work done before I move on to breakfast. Alright, it's breakfast time. I don't know what is happening over there.
Palm massage.
Ridiculous. I'm gonna have avocado toast. So I got an avocado, it's like a baby one. And then this is my all-time favorite gluten-free bread. I don't know if I've talked about it before. I think, well, I get it from Whole Foods, but it's a New York company, so I think it's only like in the New York stores, but it's Free Bread Inc. And it has sorghum and hemp seed milk in it. It's so good, I love it. So I'm gonna toast that. I'm gonna top it with everything with the bagel seasoning from Trader Joe's. Game changer, I literally put this on everything. And then I'm gonna have this apple wild berry fruit thing. Oh no, whoops. And this fruit and nuts, date hazelnut cacao little fruit thingy majig. And I'm excited because I'm hungry. Why are you laughing at me?
Thingy majig?
Thingy majig, that is the technical term. So excited to eat this. Avocado toast is my absolute fave. I'm gonna make a quick breakfast now, and I don't actually have a ton of food in the house, but what I do have and I keep in the freezer for instances like this are these frozen breakfast burritos. So the brand is Sweet Earth. This is the Protein Lovers one, and in it is eggs, quinoa, cheese, meatless grounds. It says it's all the flavor of meat lovers pizza without the meat. 20 grams of protein in this. So it's a good, like, just quick, easy, filling breakfast. So I'm just gonna zap this in the microwave and get back to work. It's now about noon and I need to go get ready. I have a business meeting. What is happening? I have a business meeting downtown. I need to leave for shortly. As I mentioned, I don't have a ton of food, so I'm gonna try to scrounge up something to kind of tide me over, like a little snacky little mini lunch. I think what I'm gonna do is make a smoothie. I also have some hard-boiled eggs that I might just like snack on before I go to my meeting. So that's kind of gonna be my low-key lunch, and then I will hopefully be able to stop at the store on my way home from my meeting and pick up a couple of things to have for dinner. Otherwise, I might be ordering takeout. We'll see what happens. But anyways, I'm just gonna make our classic smoothie here. So I'm gonna do some pineapple, see what we have. Oh, that's Brussels sprouts. That's not going in my smoothie. So we have some raspberries. I think we're out of blueberries. Dang it. Yeah, I don't see any blueberries. So I'm gonna do raspberry, pineapple, and yeah, I think that's all we have. Raspberry, pineapple, a little protein powder, some almond milk. You guys know the drill. Hello! So I'm actually about to make a smoothie for lunch, which I believe Ashley just made for you. Don't mind all of our mess. Those are all clean. They just have to be put away. I think Ashley just made one, so I'm not going to take you through the process of everything because it's going to be the exact same. She didn't ask me if I wanted a smoothie, so now I have to make one on my own. It's late. I've just been so busy today. It's already 2 o'clock, so I don't really, gotta get my spinach. I don't really want to eat like a full meal, so I think I was gonna make this kale Caesar salad, which we both really love, but I don't think, yeah, she doesn't have any more, so she's not gonna make it. I was gonna make this for lunch, but I think I'm gonna save it for tomorrow's lunch since it's late. So I'm probably just gonna make the smoothie and then make a snack. But I actually want to clean up some stuff in the kitchen here because it's just been crazy. We got new like dishes and stuff. So we got rid of some of the other ones. I don't think we've showed you at all. They're from West Elm. I got these plates, and then the salad plates are there. The cereal bowls, which are this size, and then I got the pasta bowls here, which I'm completely obsessed with. But we have to get rid of some more stuff to be able to fit the pasta bowls on here. So I'm gonna look into that. And then we also, this is just like such a mess. There's so much crap up there. And the problem is I'm short. And so I can just like barely touch this. So like I obviously like can't see into there and I can't see anything that's going on. So we have this drawer here, which it still has some stuff in it. But that's where we kept the NutriBullet, but that died. So Alex now just uses the Vitamix as well. So what I think I'm gonna do is put all of this snacky stuff in this drawer so that we can see it and reach it, and put all of this stuff, I don't even know if we need this tiny food processor because we have the Vitamix now, and put all of that stuff up there, and possibly some of this stuff that we want to keep that's on there up there as well. I don't know. Ashley left. I don't know if she told you that. She had to go to a meeting out in the city. So she's doing that. I'm here alone, and I always do my best cleaning and organizing when I'm here alone. So I think I'm just gonna do that, and they're just gonna have to live with it. They don't really care. It's me that cares, like where everything is. So as long as I find the place for it, it's fine. All right, smoothie done. It's excellent, but I still have the proportions wrong, so I was making for 2 people in my head. So I have a whole second one. So since I'm not eating, I might drink both. We'll see, because it has lots of protein in it because of the protein powder and the collagen. So we'll see if I can drink them both. I've started the process. I've got a few of the things out here. I'll let you know what happens. All right, so it turns out most of this stuff is actually mine. So they're gonna think I'm really weird that I just have this whole drawer full of my own snacky stuff, but I can see it here and I see what I have. Like I'm too short to be able to, like, look at this. I can't see in there. So this is just easier for me. So that's the way it's gonna be. So I'm having my smoothie, but I think I'm actually going to finish off this bag of these. So our parents brought us these from France. I think Ethan loves them. So they're like, it's like peanuts, like coated in this crunchy thing, and they're different flavors. This one's Mexican. We haven't tried it yet. This is the cheese flavor, and they're so good. So I think I'm gonna finish off what's left in here. It's really not that much. Yeah, and now I need to find a place for that stuff because it was in here, and this is all my snacky stuff. Hey guys, oh, sorry forgot to turn my music off. I have cleaned a lot in here. I've gone through several things, cleaned everything up here. Ashley's on her way home, so she's gonna help me figure out like how to put those up there. But I need some coffee. So I've got my trusty Chameleon cold brew vanilla coffee. This one's my absolute favorite. So I'm gonna have a little bit of that. This, if you don't know what this is, this big thing, it's like concentrated. So I can't even tell you like how many cups of cold brew I've gotten out of this. So I pour some of that in my glass with my ice, and then I just top it off with a little bit of almond milk, and then I'm good to go. Quick and easy. Perfect little afternoon pick-me-up. I kind of want a piece of chocolate, but I feel like I should wait until after dinner. I think I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna be good. Not gonna have chocolate now, but I will have chocolate after dinner. I want to show you, I'm gonna have this. We picked this up in Belgium. This is a dark chocolate and it is so good. I already had some out of this little thing. Oh my god, it's so good. We still have that, and we still have this from Belgium as well. This is like a mixture. This is dark chocolate with lavender, wasabi, and rose. We haven't gotten into that yet. Oh my gosh, you guys, I have to tell you about these. I feel like I've talked about them before. This is my favorite British candy of all time, Milky Way Crispy Rolls, but I can never find them when I'm in England, which is really, really annoying. I can't find them anywhere. I know I've talked about this before, but I need somebody who lives in England to tell me what stores I can buy Milky Way Crispy Rolls at, because I check at Tesco, I check at Sainsbury's, Waitrose, I think I've checked at Morrison's and they don't have it there either. I don't know. Someone tell me where I can get these for next time I'm in England. But they had some in Belgium, and so I bought a few, and this is my last one, and I'm really, really sad about it. But anyway, I'm gonna have my coffee, and then I'm not sure what else. I think I'm just gonna wait for Ashley so we can figure this whole thing out. Hello. Since the last time you saw me, I don't think I've eaten anything. I did have a meeting at Starbucks and drank a iced cold brew with almond milk, so that's all you've missed. It is 7 o'clock and I'm hungry.
I'm starving too. As you guys know, I didn't really eat much.
I stopped at the store on my way back home and picked up something that I can eat for dinner, so that's what I'm about to make. And it's yeah, I'm gonna make pasta. So I'm gonna use these pasta noodles, which I love, and I'm gonna make, here, will you hold this? I'm gonna use frozen peas. Arugula. This boursin cheese. And some onion and garlic. And I need some whiskey.
Oh my.
Or something. I really want wine, but we don't have wine.
I know.
So I need alcohol.
I know, I
of
really
some
want some
variety.
wine too.
Well, why don't you walk yourself to the store and buy some?
Why are you shaking your head like that? You're not gonna have any. I know you better than that. Hello, Bobby Monroe.
Okay, so I'm gonna saute onions and garlic in a pan. I'm gonna add some frozen peas, and I'm gonna cook my pasta separately. After the pasta is cooked, I'm gonna drain it, put it back in the pot with this boursin cheese and let it kind of like melt in over the hot noodles. And then I'll add my pea mixture. And then once I plate it in our new
Pasta bowls.
pasta bowls, then I'm gonna do a handful of arugula on the top. And there we go. That's gonna be my dinner. Shelby just went to get wine, so I am getting started. I have my onions and garlic in the pan here. I have hot water and, well, not hot water, water in that pot so that it boils. And I'm just gonna keep prepping my stuff. Shelby's back with the wine. What'd you get?
I got a Gamay Beaujolais, not that one, that's this one. Shoot, I can't remember what it was. I mean, they're both French. I like only drink French wines now. I'm like a snob.
What a wine snob.
I don't know. They both looked good and the guy said it was good, so. Okay, oh, update. The wine is very
Delicious.
tasty. We're drinking this one in case anyone is curious. I'm starting to cook because I'm starving and she's in my way, but it's fine. So I'm going, right now I'm starting this. It's a pearled couscous. I haven't decided if I'm gonna put the seasoning in yet because there's a lot of salt in it.
Just half of it.
Yeah, I might just do half of it. So I'm making that, and then I'm gonna heat up some cauliflower rice and sweet potatoes on the stove. And then I have these, which I've never tried before, but I saw them in Whole Foods. They're these Thai curry nuggets. They're made from tofu, which I am sensitive to soy, so I just can't eat soy a lot, but I don't eat it very often. So this is like a little treat, but I'm gonna be super bloated.
It's a tofu treat.
It's tofu treat. I love anything like curry. Anything is like my favorite food, so I'm excited to try this.
If you make it in a curry flavor, she'll be able to eat it.
I will eat it for sure. So it looks really disgusting, but I think it'll be really good. So I'm just gonna do the vegetables on the stove and then heat these up.
My pasta's ready.
Woo woo!
All right, I changed into my pajamas, but my dinner is done, and here's the final product. Yummy. Here's the pasta. I cannot wait to dig into this. Shelbs is still finishing hers up.
All right, so the couscous is done. It's in my little pasta bowl, and now I'm just gonna put some of this on there. It's just sweet potato, cauliflower rice, and the tofu nuggets, and I put some coconut aminos on there, and then some extra turmeric and curry powder. I'm so excited to eat it. All right, final product. I'm so excited. I got my wine. I'm gonna go join them on the couch and eat my dinner. All right, well, that's all we ate because we got talking for like 4 hours straight and I forgot to have dessert. And now I feel like it's too late to have dessert. So I'm kind of upset because I really wanted some chocolate, but I'm not going to. Now she's washing her dishes. Say goodbye.
Goodbye.
Make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe right there. And you can watch the latest video right there. See you guys next time. Bye.